Today is finally the reveal day at the Joshua Tree. It's been so emotional. You know, all of this has been completed within 12 days, all through the support of local people, local companies and BAM.
As a business, you know, and within our roles, there's more we can deliver than just doing more day jobs and doing more projects and delivering more projects. Change and make positive change. And if you look at everybody together, you know, there's 200-300 people here all working together, and it's just a fabulous environment.
And they're all doing their bit, all helping each other and making this amazing place. And meet people as well, you know, meet just not just other people within BAM, but also, you know, other people in the trades and stuff. It's just been a fantastic day to be part of.
Since we got here, it's been such a good energy for absolutely everyone working on site.
What better project for us to give back than to something where our skill set lies. We've got some great tradespeople, and this is their opportunity to show the community what they can give.
Oh, I think it's just been a really good opportunity to get out of the office and come support a really, really good cause.
Yeah, it's a wonderful charity, and just being able to support the family and everything it stands for, and you really see that today.
I can't really sum it up into words how much it means to me, to us as a charity, and to the wider community and to our families who access the service. It's just unbelievable.
It's going to have an immediate effect. And that's what's so brilliant. For this charity, they had a building here already. We've doubled the size of it in 12 days. But if that was a normal project, it would have taken a year.